Hi guys, good morning. So I just woke up and today I decided to make a vlog of myself while preparing for work because I just watched Marie's Rascal's vlog and I enjoyed watching her vlog actually. Like, why not try it? Why not try recording myself as well? I may not be a celebrity, but who cares? So yeah, I'm gonna record myself while preparing for work because sadly I need to go back to work because holiday season is over. So I need to travel again for like 2 hours from Cavite to BGC and work from 12 noon to 10 p.m. I know, it sucks, but it's okay. Let's just enjoy it. So yeah, I better get ready now because it's getting late. It's already... What time is it? It's already 7:33 a.m. I better go now to the shower and take a bath, take a shower, and prepare because traveling for 2 hours is not a joke. So yeah, I'll talk to you later. Bye guys. Hi guys, so I'm back for my makeup. So first what I do is clean my face using Eskimo Papaya Smooth White Facial Deep Cleanser. So I just clean my face using this cleanser, but I don't know, I just like it cleaning my face like this. I know I don't have a perfect skin, but whatever. So after cleaning my face, I put this moisturizer I bought in Beauty and Butter. It is the Double Milk Triple White from, yeah, Beauty and Butter. So I just bought this when I was so bored in the office. I tried going to the mall, but that's just a secret, okay? So yeah, let's try it. And just make it massage your face. Let's now go to the makeup. So first what I use is this matte foundation from Rimmel. Well, someone just gave it to me. This foundation is actually nice. I don't know, I feel like pak na pak siya sa mukha. And it's not sticky or yung nakakairita sa pakiramdam. So funny. Okay. I don't know if anong kalabas na itong vlog na to. Okay, so after putting the foundation, what I do next is I do my eyebrows. Well, Killay's life. So I already shared my pangkilay. I bought this gel liner sa LA Girl. So if you're following me on Instagram, I already posted this gel liner because many people asked me already what do I use for my kilay. So yeah, I shared it to them. So LA Girl gel liner, you can buy this in SM department stores. Mura lang siya, like 300, 350, and it's like
almost a year already, or 1 year na to. Or no. December, yeah. 1 year na siya. And paubos na siya. Ngayon pa lang. If you're gonna buy pencil, for sure, ubos na yun for like 1 month pa lang. So, I need to focus first because kilay is life. What is my cheat in my kilay is I do clean it using this LA Girl again, the Pro Conceal. Yung concealer nila. I think this is the bestseller one. Highly recommended tong concealer na to. So, I clean my eyebrows, yung sobra, para hindi rin maging sharp yung edges niya, and using this eye drop foam. I also use this concealer to hide my eye bags. Kasi, you know, magaling tayo magpuyat. So, you just need to line the concealer dun sa eyebrow para malinis siya. Like this one. Can you see it? I think mas makapal yung nasa left ko. So, after putting it, you need to blend it again. This is what I said, using the eye drop, the foam, kung ano man tawag dito. I'm actually not a makeup artist, okay? So, don't judge. No judging, please. What I'm showing you now is just my daily makeup when I go to work. Oh, yeah. Spread it. I don't even know nga kung tama yung ginagawa ko eh. Basta, that's what I do. So, okay lang. So, my memory card got full. Hirap na ako, bitch. Wala na ako mapag-save ng mga photos and videos ko. Yung laptop ko, sobrang wala ng memory. And then yung memory card ko, well, yung isa kasi na kay James Paul. So, James Paul, hi. Pakibalik na yung memory card ko. Kasi, wala na talaga ako pagsasave ng mga files ko. Hirap na ako, mga besh! But anyway, yeah, I'm done with my kilay. So, hindi na siya ganung Betty La Fea. Medyo blended na siya. And I actually blended also na yung sa concealer sa eyeball. So, I'm doing now my eyelashes. So, tuturuan ko kayo ng trick para sa eyelashes. Para paano nyo ba siya i-curl. So, ganito yung ginagawa ko. But first, wait lang. So, once you get it, wag nyong sobrang tight kasi ayaw mo namang makalbo yung pilik mata mo, diba? So, pull it upward, dahan-dahan, slowly. And, ulit-ulitin mo lang, but be gentle, okay? Just gently pull it para mag-curl yung eyelashes mo. Kasi pag pinupull siya pataas, parang nagiging natural lang yung pagka-curl niya. Parang firm lang gano'n. Hindi yung parang masyadong ganon. Basta yun. So, pull it slowly. With the mascara, so I'm using this mascara from Maybelline. So, after that, I put my blush on. So, blush on na tayo. I have this Tarte blush on. Thanks, Don, for this blush on. Actually, ito yung pasalubong niya sa akin nung uwi siya Pilipinas. It's a 2, 4, 5, 10. 10 in 1 blush on. So, I'm so happy to have this. Yay! But, hindi ko pa siya ginagamit lahat actually. I haven't tried all of them. So, marami kasi nagsasabi na ang laki-laki ng pisngi ko. Kaya, marami-raming blush on yung nagagamit ko for my cheeks. And, not just cheeks, because I also put blush sa panga ko. Parang contour, you know. Pati dapat ilong nilalagyan para daw ang tawag doon summer blush. Parang nainitan ka lang, tapos tisay ka. But in my case, no, I'm morena. I'm done with my eyebrows, my eyelashes, and my blush on. So next is lipstick. But just to share, what I usually use is this taupe lipstick from MAC. But ubos na siya. And next I use is this lipstick from Maybelline. But then again, ubos na siya. So if you guys have a generous heart and you want to send gifts to me, so mag-appreciate ko po siya. Lipstick. Any lipstick na nude yung color. Like brownish, nude. I don't like red or pinkish kasi talaga. But it's okay. Whatever you give, tatanggapin ko syempre. So what I use instead for now is this Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. It was given to me by my previous student in Lyceum, Arden. So hi Arden. Hi dyan sa Doha. And this lip, well, actually for review, dito sa lipstick na to, maganda siya. Matagal siyang mawala and hindi siya nag-shop or whatsoever. So, I recommend this one as well. So, kung meron kayong ganito na nude and gusto nyo ako regaluhan, I mean, hindi nyo pala ginagamit ha, as in new lipstick na nude, thank you in advance if you're gonna send it to me. So yeah, I'm gonna put first this lipstick and I'll show you the finished product. I'm in my makeup, so this is my usual look when I go to work or I go somewhere. Disclaimer, okay, I'm not a makeup artist, so no judging guys. Kung ano yan yung carry ko, so back na yan. Go na. So I'm done, so better get dressed now and because I need to go. It's actually late na. So later, bis lang ako. So that's the end of my vlog guys. I'm going to work now. I hope you enjoy watching my today's vlog. So if you like it, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button below or leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. So I'm gonna see you on my next vlog. Bye guys!